The Schweitzer Fellowship is a program that encourages graduate students to create and implement a year-long service project that addresses a health disparity in their community.
So this project, there's one component of this project is literacy. And speech-language pathologists play a collaborative role with literacy because a lot of the children, a lot of the clients that we work with have language disorders. And that's tied to literacy skills. So, there are other specialists out there who help children with literacy, but speech-language pathologists collaborate with them, and it's in our scope of practice as well.
We hold a 2-hour class every Wednesday, and we use that time and dedicate that time for the students to be able to work on their homework, receive one-on-one assistance from Gabrielle and I, as well as just provide them a time to sit down and read a book.
In May, I will be graduating and starting out in my profession. And the opportunity to participate in the Schweitzer Fellowship has given me leadership skills that I didn't have before. Specifically, it's improved my ability to communicate with others, because from the very beginning, I had to come up with an idea, reach out to people, and have meetings with them. And in those meetings, speak confidently and communicate our ideas effectively. And then also listen to what the purposes of that organization were and see if they had any unmet need that Emmy and I could help fill. And I think just that process will help me as I interact with my clients and their families. So all of these things I'll take with me as I start out in the field of speech-language pathology.
I think the Schweitzer Fellowship provides its fellows with so many amazing opportunities. But looking back on just these 6 months that I've already been doing it, and looking back on how much I've changed as a person, I think I would recommend it to anybody I know. Not only do you get provided with amazing leadership opportunities, but one of the big things I wanted to get out of this was to be able to connect better with my community. And the fellowship does just that. It allows you to not only connect with, but get to work with your community.
I just think it's important to use whatever knowledge, whatever skills and abilities that I have to just contribute to social good in whatever way.
I'm really happy to have Emmy and Gabby here for their Schweitzer Fellowship. Because of their relationship that they're able to build with the kids. In transitional living, one of the key things for success is stability. So by having people who are committed to the kids for nearly a year, really adds to their sense of safety and well-being. I would love to have more fellows next year and the year after. Very thankful to have this program here.